Good night, PNG. Good night, World Wide Web. Alright, while we are on the topic of Prime Minister being hypocritical and indecisive in laying down the law and protecting the integrity of the Prime Minister's office, one bla favorite tactic one bla temporary ministry. Time all minister blongem, time all minister blo dislap. Marape government o pangu led government all sa biket all wakim sampla wrong. He hardly sex the ministers. When has Prime Minister James Marape ever sacked one of his ministers in government? Time all hashtag Aussies in London people ya all kosim apro na protest in the country lo Justin Kachenko ya. Prime Minister ino rausim mo sa minister. Just gaman rausim title Foreign Affairs Minister na putumem golsem Minister assisting the Prime Minister or something like that. Until things cool down, na putumem gobe golsem Foreign Affairs Minister. Now the same tactic I think was done to if I'm correct, Ian Ling Stucky. Yaman putem go Minister assisting the Prime Minister, biyayan putem go back. And now, same cheap tactic, cover-up tactic is being done to Billy Joseph. No raw sim stripi mem as a minister, no seki mem as a minister. Kirap create mon bla unnecessary portfolio, split all portfolio na bota. Putim Billy Joseph Golsem minister blo wanem emergency or whatever nonsense about. This is bullshit. This is indecisiveness. This is lack of integrity in the Prime Minister's office and in the government. No one is being held to account for causing nonsense and corruption and bribery in this nation. No wonder we are going nowhere. Change this government. This Prime Minister is not representing the national interest. He is representing his tribal interest and electoral interest and self-interest and political survival. This Prime Minister is all about numbers and political survival and convenience. It's not about the national interest or the people's interest. Come on. This government needs to go. We need a government that is for the people and by the people.